Hi friends, welcome to Amas Concrete. After a long time, I am here, and today I want to discuss about some serious warnings of construction activities. Nowadays, during monsoon, people are using materials, pavers, and other equipments for PQC road concrete and for building structure pumpable concrete also. But they are forgetting that how to use means some back factories of construction they are following, which they should not. Please look into the glance, look into that some videos what I want to share with you, where during PQC concrete means pavement quality concrete, road concrete, they are using single hydraulic jack of dumper, and they are not measuring proper moisture of available sand, coarse aggregate from batching plant. During concrete, we should check our coarse aggregate and fine aggregate, where fine aggregate consists most of moisture content. During not a single time of day, but before concreting, after concreting, or during concreting 3 or 4 times from several points of the fine aggregate of bin or coarse aggregate of bin. But people are not used to check all those things, and simply they are implementing and executing at site. For that reason, what's happening, I want to share with you edge collapsing of PQC road concrete. They are not discharged from the dumper concrete easily due to bleeding of concrete of excess water, but they are following same process, not checking moisture of sand, moisture of coarse aggregate, not checking of doses, proper doses of admixture, but they are using the same process. What is wrong? That is a warning for road construction. And nowadays we can follow, we can get in every PQC road, not every, but 50% of PQC road there is more huge cracks. So please follow this video and don't try to implement these kind of activities at site. And one more thing, during pumpable concrete, please check your pump capacity, the piston of pump is actually working or not. If the sand is already fine, then please reduce the sand content, or it will be settled down and the pump will be getting choked. The second video consists for these following activities only for pumpable concrete. Thank friends. Please hope you will find it very compatible and it will be very adjustable for your continuous activities at site. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you.
मार मार वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर मालटा देखुन के हार्ड पांटा गाड़ी